Okay, in this video, I will show you how to use Zkbio Zlink software. So your device is space for ID Wi-Fi. Okay, so I will show you using, this is not for ID lah. So this is the sample. Okay, first, in for ID, you have to change the protocol. So you need login first. Okay, you will go to system, and then you search for device type setting. Okay, here. Okay, default it will be used push protocol. Protocol is a normal protocol lah. So to use Zkbio Zlink, you need to use best protocol. Okay, you have to use best protocol, and then it will reboot. So after reboot, it will show you this. So you have any connection internet also, and then it will show you this QR. Okay, when you get the QR, you have to scan inside your phone. Okay, for others user, you can ask them to download Zkbio Zlink in apps in Play Store. So you can, okay, and then ask them to log in and create an account. So here you can sign up, so they can use email or phone number. Okay, after they sign up, okay, this is the interface of Zkbio Zlink apps. Okay, so for admin, okay, first you have to have one admin lah, admin to control all the attendance, right? So for admin, okay, it will sign up. So after sign up, the apps will ask to create a new organization. Okay, so you can create here, it will create new organization. Okay, after you fill in all of this and then create, okay, it will show like this. It will appear here. For example, okay, this is my testing. So you will have application, contact, and device. Okay, so for example, my testing is Ahmad. So this is the interface. It will have bunch, attendance, message, application, contact, and device. Okay, and then second, okay, so you go to device and then you can add your device. Okay, add your device, it will appear like this. So you already changed the push protocol, right? So you go to my device and go to add device. Here, add device. Okay, then you can search your access control. What is your model lah? So for my model, okay, go to here, scan. You can scan this QR code. Okay, it will detect and then search device. Okay, it will detect speed phase and then you can rename. Okay, this is you just select the default and then blind select zone, also default site, confirm, and then add. Okay, so after add, you can go to access level. Okay, it will 0. So you have to add access level. Okay, add access level. So for example, this is our company. So I got Brighton. So you can select. So it can 24 hours. And then save device. So you can select the device that you just scan. Confirm. And then if you already add all the user, and then you can select all. And then confirm. And then save. Okay, so it will appear like this. So you have here, you have message, you have application. So this is attendance calendar, my team link. Okay, to set up attendance in Zkbio Zlink, you can set up in web. So you can just type Zkbio Zlink, enter. So it will appear like this. So and then you can confirm. So here, we already registered in app, right? So you can log in, same username and password. Okay, so in the organization is Ahmad. So the interface is like this. So you can see all the setting is same like apps. It's just in web it was more time attendance setting. Okay, so first to set up time attendance, you can go here and then you can go to time attendance. Okay, so here it will show. So you add timetable, add shift, and then employee schedule. Okay, so we can add, first we can add timetable. For example, okay, this is Brighton. So check in 9 AM, so check out 6 PM. So here we have check in time period before work, time period after work. So this one you can fill in as your requirement. So and then so allow check late in. So for example, we can allow like 5 minutes. Okay, we can got 5. Early out also, if we want to give our user early out, so you can click here, or if you don't have, just 0. So if you have break time, you also can select here. Okay, and then overtime also. And then after that you save. Okay, we have already our timetable. So next is shift. Okay, shift, you can go here, add, and then you can select here Brighton distribution, the timetable that we create, and then here we can create Brighton. Okay, so you need, so for example 1 month, or you can do 12 months. So and then you save. Okay, after that you need to log in again. tick here and then edit. Okay, you have to tick here in the cycle. So this one you have to tick until, if you do 12 months, so you have to do 12 months. Okay, so after you select all and then you can save. Okay, so we can check in our schedule. So employee schedule, for example. Okay, here, oh sorry, schedule we don't yet add again, we don't have add yet, so we add, and then here our user, and then we just effective date. So for example, if you want to start 1 September, you can select 1 September, and then you can select the shift, this one, and then save. Okay, we will be like this, and then we can check our schedule view. Okay, so our user, so this is schedule view lah. Schedule view is under Verizon Distribution Company. Okay, so for attendance is just that setting. So after that, for report, okay, I will testing. Okay, so for report, so first we have to check and go to our device, and then so this is our device. Okay, go here, details, then we check here. So we check under here. Okay, so this is a register. So for record here, we have to enable. So the default is not enable lah. If not enable, it will not go inside our attendance report. It will just in SS record. So sync record the attendance and then save. Okay, after that, we can go back to Zkbio interface and then go to time attendance. Okay, so first for report, we go to calculate. Okay, so we can select our date. So for example, I will calculate from 26. Okay, I will calculate from 25 September until today. And then we go here, calculate. Oh, sorry, select person and then calculate. Okay, operation successful, we can go to report. So here we have some report. We have transaction, total, first punch, daily details, and so on lah. So for transaction, we can go here. Okay, here we'll have all transaction that we just calculate. So we can see what time punch in, what time punch out. And then here also we can, we already can export the report. Okay, so if for admin, like they want first in, last out, we can go here. Okay, and then we can see here. We already calculate and then go here, and then so for implementation, just no export. And then after export, tick, we can download the latest one. Okay, the report will appear like this. So our person name, the date, first punch, last punch, actual date. If you want more details, we can go here, daily details. So here got actual anything lah. So for example, here I export daily, here got daily details, and then no export.